Good evening. My name is Ijaz Ali Namdar. I am the general manager CBD for this Foodrite Radiant Indus Chem Pvt Limited. The company name is Radiant Indus Chem Pvt Limited, and our brands are like Mrs. Foodrite and Mealtime. We have two brands, and we were available across the country. We have a distribution channel network. And as far as the event is concerned, this event we are participating almost from last 4 to 5 years, and we are happy with the event, and we are getting the customers across the country and different portfolio customers we able to make here, like from the bakeries we do. Definitely this is the main bakery event, but the good part of this event is like the people from the HoReCa and people from the other industries like schools, canteen, colleges, and distributors and other channel partners will come and meet us. So overall the event going good, and it's doing good from last 4 5 years. We are happy with the event.